Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. Back in the 1950s, America was booming, and businesses needed tough, reliable vehicles to keep up. That's where this legend comes in. Meet the iconic 1950 Ford F-Series panel truck, a machine built for hard work, long days, and endless miles. But this isn't just a truck, it's a rolling piece of history. So today, we're taking a deep dive into everything: design, interior, performance, and why this classic still turns heads decades later. History and background. To truly understand this truck, we have to go back in time. After World War II, the demand for commercial vehicles exploded. Small businesses, delivery services, and tradespeople needed something reliable, and that's when Ford Motor Company stepped up with its redesigned Ford F-Series in 1948. By 1950, the panel truck version had become a favorite for businesses like bakeries, electricians, and delivery services. It offered something unique: a fully enclosed cargo space combined with the rugged reliability of a pickup truck. This wasn't just transportation, it was a business partner. Exterior design deep dive. Now let's take a closer look at the exterior, and trust me, there's a lot to appreciate here. The front end features a bold, wide grille with horizontal bars, giving it a strong and confident look. The rounded fenders flow smoothly into the body, creating that classic 1950s styling that collectors love today. The headlights are large and circular, positioned prominently on the front, making the truck instantly recognizable, even from a distance. Moving along the sides, you'll notice something interesting: no side windows in the cargo area. Instead, you get solid steel panels. Why? Security and durability. Businesses needed to protect their goods, and this design did exactly that. The long roofline and boxy rear section maximize cargo space, while the rear barn-style doors open wide for easy loading and unloading. And let's not forget the details: simple steel wheels, chrome bumpers, and subtle badging that proudly carries the Ford name. Even today, this truck has a presence that's hard to ignore. Interior experience. Step inside, and you're immediately transported back to a different era. The cabin is simple, functional, and built to last. You get a wide bench seat, perfect for 2 or even 3 passengers, covered in durable materials designed to handle daily wear and tear. The dashboard is clean and straightforward, featuring classic analog gauges. Speedometer, fuel level, engine temperature, everything you need, nothing you don't. The large steering wheel gives you a commanding feel of the road, though it requires effort since there's no power steering. There's no air conditioning, no touchscreen, no fancy tech, just pure driving. And honestly, that's part of the charm. Behind the cabin lies the heart of this vehicle, the cargo area. Spacious, enclosed, and incredibly practical. Whether it was tools, packages, or supplies, this truck could carry it all. Engine and performance. Let's pop the hood and talk performance. The 1950 Ford panel truck was typically powered by a dependable inline-six engine, known for its simplicity and long-lasting durability. For those needing extra power, a flathead V8 was also available. Now, this isn't a fast vehicle, and it was never meant to be. Instead, it focuses on steady, reliable performance. You get a 3-speed manual transmission, sending power to the rear wheels. The gear shifts are mechanical and require a bit of skill, but once you get used to it, it's incredibly satisfying. The suspension system uses leaf springs, making it strong enough to handle heavy loads, though the ride can feel stiff compared to modern vehicles. But here's the key thing: this truck was built to work. Day after day, mile after mile, it delivered consistent performance without complaint. Driving experience. Driving this truck is like stepping into a time machine. There's no insulation from the road, you feel everything. The vibrations, the engine sound, the road beneath you, it's all part of the experience. Turning the wheel takes effort. Braking requires planning. And acceleration? Slow but steady. But that's what makes it special. It's not about speed or comfort, it's about connection. You're not just driving, you're experiencing history. Practical use and legacy. Back in its day, this truck was everywhere, used by businesses of all kinds. From delivery services to repair shops, the panel truck was trusted for its durability and practicality. Today, it has found a new life among collectors and restorers. Some keep it original, while others turn it into custom hot rods or promotional vehicles. Its legacy lives on, not just as a vehicle, but as a symbol of hard work and reliability. Conclusion, 1 minute. The 1950 Ford F-Series panel truck is more than just metal and wheels, it's a story. A story of post-war growth, small businesses, and a time when vehicles were built with purpose. From its rugged exterior to its simple interior and dependable performance, this truck represents everything great about classic American engineering. And even today, it continues to inspire and impress. Outro. If you enjoyed this deep dive into a true classic, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more vintage content. And tell me in the comments, would you restore this truck or keep it original?